Nilqakom sinjuri għal kontroversja ta' dil-ġimgħa, il-Granita. Fuq l-internet joħroġ dal-video ta' ġuvni qiegħed supermarket jiftaħ il-friġġ, jaqbad granita, jiftaħa, jilgħaqha u jerġa' jpoġġiha lura fil-friġġ.
This is how to save money, Mike. You take it, the granita, open it, very nice. So good. And then you go home.
ħafna nies għalowlu l-ħama fuq familtu, fuq razztu kollha u fuq il-ġenerazzjoni kollha tiegħu. Ma kienx hemm xi ħaġa li ma qalux. U peress li jiena parti mill-ġenerazzjoni tiegħu ħassejt li għandna nidħlu fija bħala Xarabank. U mhux biex nilaqgħu, excuse the pun, imma għandu raġun. Il-ġelat ħallas għalih, xtraħ qabel għamilha u dak il-ġelat li laq kien il-ġelat illi diġà kien xtara. U sit il-ħanut kien jaf bih. Kollox sar bħala ċajta. U da kollu aħna nafuħa li xiltqajna miegħu ġibniha l-uffiċċju u qalilna l-istorja. Inti ħallasta dik il-granita jew le?
I did pay for the granita.
Okay, bilħaq, qabel tibdew taqlawlu l-ħama xed jitkellem bl-Ingliż, Alex huwa Malti, twilet Malta, imma l-familja tiegħu Pollakka u jippreferi jitkellem bl-Ingliż. Jiġifieri mhux għax jobot il-Malti, anzi, meta ltqajna miegħu qalilna li Malta hija l-pajjiż li l-aktar jippreferi jgħix fih.
Okay, x'ġara mela kif kienet l-istorja?
So I was with one of my friends. I went to his house. We went down for groceries. Meanwhile, he took out the granita from the fridge, asked me if I want one. I said sure. He told me that one of his friends in the USA did this. He licked an ice cream and put it back in the fridge. And I said, okay, let's recreate it. Let's make a fake version of it, and let's make a Malta version. There was the shopkeeper, and we asked if we were allowed to film and if we could just do this really quick skit. And he was like, yes, don't worry. We obviously took the granita we paid for, put it in the fridge, and then started filming. So I take it out of the fridge, I lick it, put it back in, and walk away.
This is how to save money, Mike. You take it, the granita, open it, very nice. So good. And then you go home.
Obviously, after we did stop filming, we did go back and take the granita back out and took it home.
Aħna qrajna ħafna mill-kummenti li nkitbu mill-affarijiet li qalu fuqu u laqqas biss irid naqrom daqskemm huma tal-biża', anke fuq ommu għajruh, fuq biċċa granita.
I got threats that if they saw me walking in the street, I'd get beaten or they'd... In Maltese, intemma hulek il-ġilat. They did offend my mother, and I found that crossing the line because I did post a video, not my mom didn't post a video, my family didn't post a video, so...
What did it say, the comment?
Għalix ma morx laqsa għajn ommak.
U aħna kellimna l-omm ukoll.
Honestly, it does not bother me, but I have a son who's a man and who loves me, and it's really bothered him because he makes absolute sure that he never speaks bad about anyone's mother or father for that matter, and he was very disturbed.
Kieku kellek terġa' tagħmilha, kont terġa' tagħmilha?
I would do it again. I would do it again for sure. The one thing I would change where I think I'm at fault is that I didn't put a disclaimer. The reason I did not put a disclaimer is because, as I said,
What kind of disclaimer imma x'ikun jgħid?
It's a skit, it's acting.
Okay.
Don't recreate this.
Għal min ma jafux, Alex jagħmel ħafna videos tad-daħk bħal dawn. Jaf jiffilmi ħafna, jaf jediti ħafna, huwa bravissimu, kapaċissimu u għandu ħafna fans anke f'Malta. Il-videos jitfaħħom fuq app jisimha TikTok u din l-app fuqha jintafgħu videos li huma kollha tad-daħk bħal dawn. U għalhekk min ra l-video fuq din l-app induna mill-ewwel li kienet ċajta. Però l-problema kienet meta xaħat qabad il-video minn fuq TikTok u tafgħu Facebook. U fuq Facebook kif jiġri dejjem l-affarijiet isiru traġedja.
TikTok is a comedy site, and I did not expect someone to share my video from TikTok to Facebook because that hasn't happened before.
Ħatiqaf, se tagħmel ħadd kompli.
I'm definitely not stopping.
I wish that he continues. Of course, I don't wish that he continues doing anything that harms the public or gives a bad example.